my last month's experience, okay, what I've been doing. And usually, so it works like that. Okay, I have my design concept, I have my homepage or something, and I started to work on the second page, and please provide me three option, number one, number two, number three. Okay, I will proceed with this. So it's not super fast, okay? It's not like, please give me the best result and it's done. No, it's iterations, it's a work. So it saves time, but it's not a magic pill or something like that. So as I shared before, as a designers, we started to work without Figma. Could you imagine that? And now I would like to show you, unfortunately, I can't show, unfortunately, the real examples. I'm not allowed because of NDA, but still, it will be really quickly. Okay, so thing number one, prompt to design and voice to design is my dream. So I'd like to design products with my voice, okay? And it is, luckily it's possible today. So we completed 2 projects with Google Stitch. Obviously not Claude Design, Google Stitch. For those who don't know, Google Stitch is only a website, not a web application, not a web application. It's a web application that's available only on the website stitch with google.com. As far as you see, we have the start with your design button. 99 or 100% of all projects, we start with some references or something like that. So start with your design, might be even references, okay? And as I mentioned before, at this point, I could upload my design system in Figma or my design system as a design.md file, and design.md file is a concept that from Google that they started to use it a couple of months back ago. So I could use my design system within the generating. So the project that we've been working on, number one, is design system generation from scratch, and then different pages and screens generation. And when I say design system, in this case, in this particular case with Google Stitch, this is thing like that, okay? This is not the full Figma, all of the stuff. This is so that's the concept from Google. It has, you know, colors, fonts, etc. Yes, states, but it's a bit a different thing. But it has light mode, dark mode, etc. So as a designer, firstly, I generated design system, like Google design system from scratch firstly, and then I need to implement screen of my website or application number one, number two, number three, and it's done. Okay. And case study number 2 is obviously different look and feels, different design concept, etc. So and this is actually the very good thing. Why? Because so I love UI. I love to design. I love all of that stuff. I have art education, so I love the thing. And usually, as a designer or a design studio or a design agency, for a client we provide, you know, like 3 different options. Okay, so we have design number 1, design number 2, design number 3. And by the way, for all of those different options, may work 3 different designers. Okay, because of that, this is 3 different concepts. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, and the cost actually of this design concept was quite high. Why? Because we need to spend resources, we need to hire designers, now design number 1, 2, 3, etc. And because of this Claude Code or Claude Design or Google Stitch thing, at the moment, cost of these different design concepts goes down, and this is actually a good thing. I love it. The next thing that is really helpful in Google Stitch is generate three variations. Yeah, I understand that this is obvious. Such, let's say for Midjourney, we know what is this variation. That's fine, but it works with interfaces. Okay, with ready interfaces. And let me give you a quick example. So as a designer, I need to generate like 3 different tabs or 3 any other different controls. and I ask AI, okay, provide me this design job, please. But not just as you understand it, but with 3 options. And again, I'm sharing it from my last month's experience. Okay, what I've been doing, and usually so it works like that. Okay, I have my design concept, I have my homepage or something, and I started to work on the second page. And please provide me 3 option: number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, I will proceed with this. Then again, number 1, number 2, number 3. With that, iteration number 10, 20. So it's not super fast. Okay, it's not like please give me the best result and it's done. No, it's iterations. It's a work. So it saves time, but it's not the magic pill or something like that. Okay. In relation to different look and feels or design concepts or something like that, another quick example. So I just asked Google Stitch, please, the prompt is, take apple.com website and generate for me 3 different design concepts. I would like to redesign apple.com. So now more context. Usually we need to provide more context or some reference or what we'd like to make. And Google Stitch made me this. Okay, so he took he generated the current design system. Then what we have, images, regenerated images, and he provided option number 1, number 2, number 3. So this is the design system, then images, and I'm showing to you 3 different design concepts. Number 1, number 2, number 3. So this is just random ideas, let's call it like that. And as you can see, different layouts, different things, but it took minute to generate. I will remind you, it is available for free for everyone now, just right now, and only from Google Stitch. I could click here to to this mockup and to like export to Figma, to like copy, paste, and it's Figma. Without the layouts, you could continue your work. Nobody does the same thing, such as, let's say, Claude Design. Okay, it will be possible in the future, but not now. So if you need to generate different ideas, if you need, design like interface product design assistant, it's available now. Okay. And if you need to switch one mockup or one interface from one design system to the other, one click, boom, done. Okay, Google Stitch generates with different modes, especially with Nana Banana and different. So it could provide you different results. You could work with multiple screens. So I could select 5 screens. And I could say, hey, please replace footer for this one, okay? And it started to yeah, okay. So I was waiting on it for all of my life, basically. So as I told before, so I would like to design with my voice. I work like that now, but with ChatGPT. Why? Because I actually tried it with Google Stitch. So thing is, you're sitting, you're watching, you're viewing your computer, and you're just interacting with Google Stitch, like with ChatGPT, but this is your design assistant. You said, yeah, change me this. So you're like speaking with design. Amazing thing. It is now currently unavailable. Why? Just because, okay? So it's not working. And because of that, so as a designer at the moment, I have my ChatGPT paid account, unfortunately. So I started to pay for Claude as well. So I use ChatGPT as a transcription. So so this is my idea, just to share. Hey, I need you to change, the header from this to that, from this to that, and like enter. ChatGPT does me this work, so he provides me the text. I need to copy paste it to Google Stitch, and in Google Stitch starts to work. I may do my thing, and then again I transcribing all of my voice things with the help of ChatGPT. But this is actually, this is actually my dream. Okay, so problems. Number 1, it's slow. Okay, so when you ask, generate me something, and it could be annoyingly slow. Okay. Number 2, I had one situation when I need to finish the work, it should be in Figma. Why? Because we work in Figma, designers work in Figma, and we have different software, but Figma is Figma, okay? And so I need to say, this is deadline. I need to send the thing, and in the end of the day, Google Stitch is just a website, okay? And expert currently doesn't working. Please try again later. Okay, so when I have my deadline, I need to send design. And I have problem like that. This is obviously ridiculous, and I'm starting to think, yeah, it came out that Figma is stable. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, yeah. Let's get back to Figma. Yeah, and I had even some case studies when I was designing the things, boom, something was disappear, boom, something was again disappear. And I will remind you, the latest release of Google Stitch was in 18th of March. So we have 2 months of the product. So this is let's say absolute innovation. Google Claude was released in April. We have 1 month of Google Claude. All of that I try to explain to you that these products are actually change the design workflow now. Okay, now, yeah. And I have the other thing that I designed something in Google Stitch. So and again, I love the feature that I could copy paste it in Figma. I could continue my regular design work there, and auto layouts, everything is good, not perfect, but good. And I have some bugs there. Couple of takeaways from this. Google Stitch is, for myself, is an absolute game changer, and I tried to show you this example when I was designing with my voice. Hey, you, change this for that. Boom, done. I need to wait a couple of minutes. Okay, then change this. Then change that. Then change that. And one more thing is when you ask Google Stitch to design something while it's designing, so they attached some animation, and you see some pseudo designer doing something. It also looks like magic. So these are my takeaways, and this particular topic, which is how AI is changing design workflow right now in relation to AI agents, number 2, and vibe designing, vibe checking, not vibe coding, is in my field of interest. I love this. Because of that, I do share this. Thank you very much. See you in 1 month. Yeah.